Hello and welcome to Nexttut. My name is Arash and I'll be your instructor in this tutorial. Do you want to start your career inside Unreal Engine 5 but do not find an all-in-one package to learn it all? So I welcome you to Nexttut's complete guide to Unreal Engine 5. In this course, we will cover two chapters. Of course, we have an introductory chapter. And for the second chapter, we create a cave scene. And in this cave scene, we go from blockout all the way into creating a finished environment. And then after that, we create an Archviz scene. In the cave scene, we start by the blockout to make sure that the composition and the level is working right off the beginning. And then we go for material editor and also cover the theory of physically based rendering, all the way into creating functioning materials that change in runtime for every reason that you have. And then we go for nanite, and again for nanite we go from theory all the way to execution to bring in high polygon props into Unreal Engine 5 without any optimization. And then after that we go for Lumen, the new global illumination solution to light the scene. Of course, for people who are going to light their scene statically and baked lighting, we have something for them as well. And then after that we go for Niagara, the VFX creation system inside Unreal Engine 5, and create some particles. And then we go for blueprints to add a bit of interactivity in the scene, to create some game logic in the scene. And after that we begin the Archviz chapter and convert that and start to light it the Unreal Engine 5 way, using Lumen. And after lighting the scene, we again go for blueprints to create interaction for customer. Can take the project using blueprint widgets and change things inside that. For example, changing the parameters from materials or changing the materials on objects using blueprints. So, if you're ready to start your journey in the world of Unreal Engine 5, join me in Nexttut's complete guide to Unreal Engine 5. My name is Arash and looking forward to have a great learning experience together. Okay, see you there.